With the basic package in AllProWebTools, you get the tasking system, which allows you to send tasks back and forth between users and also to tie tasks to your client notes to better organize all your project notes. Whenever yourself or any of your users get a new task in their inbox, they will receive a notification in the task icon. If I click on this task icon, I can see all the new tasks in my inbox and can immediately go into one of them. Instead, I'm going to click on See All Tasks to go to my inbox. Here, I can see new tasks that have just been assigned to me in my inbox. I can also see recurring tasks that I have set for myself to reappear every couple of days for items that need to be done on a regular basis. And here, I can see all the tasks that I have read but have not yet completed. Note how all the tasks in my inbox automatically sort themselves, with the most important task on top and the least important task on the bottom. Not only can I see my task, but if I go to this drop-down menu, I can select another user and see their inbox as well. I can also go over here to search through the tasks if I am looking for something specific. And if I need, I can go to more advanced search options. I can create a new task by going to the Add button on the top menu and choosing Task. Now I have to set up the task. Here I can select who the task is for. Note that I can select multiple people if I need to send one task out to several employees. Next, I need to select a priority. This will let my employees know how important this task is and where it should fall in their priority list. If it's something that needs to be repeated every day or every week, I can pick Recurring and choose the time period that I want it to reappear. So for instance, this task, once it's been completed by Janelle, it will disappear from her inbox. And then 4 days later, it will reappear, letting her know that she has to do it again. If it is a time-sensitive task, I can always select a due date by using the date picker. There are a few times you'll want to go to advanced settings, but we can go over them real quick. I can set a time limit for this task, simply to let Janelle know that there's no reason she should spend more than 2 hours on this task. By default, I'm notified when a task is marked complete. This means for tasks that are not recurring, once an employee completes it, since I created the task, it'll come back to me so that I can verify their work and make sure it actually was completed properly. By default, all task notes appear in the workflow timeline. If you change this to a private task, that will prevent these notes from appearing in the timeline. Now there are a few more things to finish. First, I need to put in a subject for this task. This is no different than the subject line in your email. This next field, Contact, I can use to tie this task to a specific CRM record. All I do is start typing the name, and then I can select the record that this should be tied to. What this will do is every time somebody adds more notes to this task, they'll automatically be added to Erica Keller's CRM workflow timeline. That way I can look at her CRM record and immediately see all the notes on the current projects that are being worked on for her. Lastly, I'll go down to the editor here, where I can add some more specific notes about this task. Notice if needed, I can use custom formatting or even add bulleted or numbered lists to help make this task easier to read. When I'm finished, I'll simply click Add Task, and it will put this task immediately into Janelle's inbox. Instead of clicking Add Task, I would like to show you the template feature. This can be used if you find yourself making the same task over and over and want to be able to quickly put in the content to your task notes. To create a new template, I just click on this plus button. This will give me a list of all the templates I have created, which right now is none. So I'm going to click Add New. Here I can create a name for the template and add all the content that we automatically add in the notes when I want to use this template. When I'm finished creating the template, I simply click Save. And now if I go to add a new task, I can use this template to automatically fill in the content.